Yo, you guys, it's Better here, and today we're gonna have a little cute box. We'll see in a second what this is all about. I bought this for school again, for my class to give them little figurines when we need them for little games or when they have to place themselves somewhere and just as a symbol. But you can probably use them for a lot of other things as well. So let's dive right into that and check that out. So what these are, there are a bunch of little dinosaurs, and I think there's like 5 or 4 different kinds. You got some pictures to pick them up, I don't know why though, and some little balls to put them in. Color-wise, I don't know, it's kind of weird to me, but whatever, you could. If that's something you'll need to keep track. Let's throw them just in there, for example. But yeah, whatever. Let's put them aside. I'm not too excited about these. But I do love these little dinosaurs. Especially, I like dinosaurs in general. And then there's like a pretty well made here. So let's show them off and then call that a day. So we got a bunch of them at least. And different kinds. And I would say we check out what we are getting. We get these green ones. Really cool. Really well made. Not gonna lie. Especially for the price and the amount you're getting. A little T-Rex in red. Kinda cute. Then got one of these. Blue one. And they're like your typical dinosaurs. Like everyone knows these. Or have seen these before. And also like some flying dinosaurs. Like seriously, pretty nice and decent presentation here on that part. And yeah, as I said, I'm a fan, satisfied, and definitely recommend them. If you are looking for some other ideas here, sure, go ahead. But in general, pretty cool, and you can give them out as a pair. You can give them out as all the different kinds. That's all up to you, but you get the point, I assume. So I will say that should be enough for today's video. My name is Badger. I'm out for today. Take care, you guys. I will see you around in the next video. And all I can say now is goodbye.